Here's how to move money from your Atomic wallet to your bank account. It's not a direct transfer, so you'll need to go through two main steps. First, you sell your crypto for regular money like dollars or euros. Then, you send that money to your bank through another platform. First, open your Atomic Wallet app. To start the process, you need to convert your crypto into fiat currency. Go to the exchange or sell section. Choose the crypto you want to sell, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then pick the currency you want to receive, such as USD or Euro. Follow the steps to complete the exchange. Now, here's the catch. Atomic Wallet doesn't let you withdraw that money directly to your bank. So once you've converted your crypto, you need to move it to an exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken because those platforms allow bank withdrawals. To do that, grab your wallet address from the exchange where you're sending the crypto. Go back to Atomic Wallet, paste that address into the send section, and transfer your funds over. When the crypto arrives in your exchange account, go into their withdraw section. Choose the option to send money to your bank and enter your bank info. This usually means your account number, the bank name, and maybe a routing number depending on your country. After that, just confirm and wait. It usually takes between 1 and 5 business days for the money to hit your bank, depending on the exchange and your bank's processing time. Before you start, make sure your identity verification is completed on the exchange you're using because most of them won't let you withdraw until that's done. Always double check the addresses and account details before hitting send, and consider enabling two-factor authentication on both your Atomic Wallet and the exchange for added security. By following these steps carefully, you can safely move your crypto funds from Atomic Wallet to your bank account without any major issues while avoiding common mistakes that could cause delays or lost funds.